some damage. We're on 341 headed in towards Bishopville.
Good one.
All right, he's 1050. 1050. He said it's a bad 1050. 341.
Good one.
Seen Chase?
Yep. He's down in the car.
Hands! Show us your hands! Let me see your hands! Get your hands up! Show us your hands! Let me see your hands! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Let me see your hands!
For emergency, are there any injuries?
Sheriff's office, stay off of it right now, All-Star. Give me your hands! Show me your hands! Get your hands up!
Here to help, I have you on East Church Street, Industrial Boulevard, in Bishopville, South Carolina.
Hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
You will contact 911.
Let's see your other hand, buddy.
Please be assured that our emergency team is working quickly to assist you.
I do have my partner Vanessa here on the line. And she
Don't move, buddy. Don't you move.
Hey,
911's here. 911's here. We're here, ma'am.
Let me know when they're right.
We're here. Law enforcement's here. He was running from us.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'll go ahead and dispatch the line.
However you want to do.
Somebody come right here with me.
I'm going to cover y'all.
Okay, you got it?
Yep, I got you. I got my crossfire, too. You got to get out there, buddy.
He ain't going there. We're going to get the ambulance to get him out.
Yeah, got it.
I'll secure that so we don't destroy it.